Understanding clone stamping in image editing. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting and useful tool in the world of digital image editing: clone stamping. This technique is widely used in photo editing software and has a range of applications. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your editing skills, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what clone stamping is and how you can use it effectively. Clone stamping is a digital tool used in photo editing software. It allows you to copy a specific part of an image and paste it onto another area within the same image. This feature is particularly useful for covering up blemishes or unwanted elements in photos. Think of it as using a digital brush that paints with a sample from the picture itself. To use the clone stamp tool, you first need to select a source point in the image. This source point is the area you want to clone or copy. Once selected, you can then brush over another area, and the tool will replicate the source point's pixels onto this new area. It's like having a paintbrush that, instead of color, uses parts of the picture to paint over other parts. Clone stamping is widely used for various purposes, such as removing blemishes or imperfections in portrait photos, erasing unwanted objects from a landscape or any scene, repairing damaged photos by covering up tears, scratches, or missing parts, creating artistic effects by replicating patterns or textures. Here are some helpful tips for using the clone stamp tool effectively. Always choose a source point that closely matches the area you want to edit. Use a soft brush edge for more natural blending. Regularly change the source point to avoid repetitive patterns. Zoom in for precision when working on small areas. And that's a wrap on clone stamping. I hope this video has given you a solid understanding of what clone stamping is and how it can be a powerful tool in your photo editing toolkit. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with this tool in your next editing project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.